Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Adri and I have worked in Sephora stores for about 2 years now as an employee and now as a vendor, and I have had the pleasure of trying so many different products from so many different brands. And today I am so excited because I get to show you a skincare kit from one of my favorite brands with one of my favorite products in it, because Biossance sent me their limited edition trio in collaboration with Reese Witherspoon. This beautiful kit comes with full sizes of the Allure Award-winning Squalene and Vitamin C Rose Oil, the Allure Award-winning Squalene and Rose Vegan Lip Balm, and the award-winning Squalene Zinc Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. They all come in this super cute vegan polyester drawstring bag that is inside of this really cute travel bag that is really good quality, like nicer than anything that I currently own. Of course, because this is a gift set, you are getting an amazing deal. The rose oil alone retails for $72 and you're getting the entire kit for $79. Plus, I have a 15% off discount code in the description box below for your entire Biossance purchase. I do have an affiliate link down in the description box as well. You do not have to use it by any means, but if you do, it would support me, so thank you in advance. Now, let's talk about these amazing products. You may have noticed the ingredient squalane in each of these products, and it sounds very similar to the ingredient squalene, and you might be wondering what the difference is. Squalene is a fat that is produced by our sebaceous glands that keeps our skin nice and healthy and moisturized, and it also protects our skin from free radical damage, thus acting as a natural antioxidant. Unfortunately for us, squalene production in the body tends to significantly slow down around the age of 30. Squalene was previously derived from shark liver and then ran through a chemical process to become squalane. As you can imagine, this process was pretty inhumane, and so scientists found a way to derive squalane from plants. Biossance was the first brand to derive squalane from sugarcane. Their production of squalane is very sustainable, effective, and earth-friendly. All products from Biossance are infused with this amazing sugarcane-derived squalane. You guys know I have been loving this facial oil for years because it is packed with brightening, firming, and hydrating ingredients such as vitamin C, rose and Chios crystal oils, and squalane. It's the best, you guys. Chios crystal oil is derived from a tree that is native to Greece, and this oil helps to keep the skin firm, soft, and bouncy. Biossance uses a stable vitamin C that brightens and helps with elasticity, and of course, it has that sugarcane-derived squalane to help lock in that moisture. There is a gorgeous Damascus rose petal extract that has a very faint smell of rose, nothing overpowering at all. It is delicious, and the ability to help soothe the skin as well. Because this oil is non-comedogenic, non-greasy, and super lightweight, any skin type can use it, even oily skin or acne-prone skin. After using this facial oil, your skin will be radiant, firm, and smooth. And a Allure award-winning facial oil for a reason, you guys. At nighttime, we are going to use this oil right after our moisturizer as the last step in our skincare routine. In the daytime, we're still going to use it after our moisturizer, but we're going to top it with some sunscreen. We only need about 1 to 3 drops for the entire face, neck, and décolleté. We're gonna warm it up in our hands and press it gently into the skin. We're gonna work it around in upwards motions always. We are fighting gravity here, people. If you love looking like a glazed donut like me, this is an amazing addition to your foundation routine. You can either apply it prior to makeup application or add a single drop of it into your foundation to get that lit from within radiance. The Biossance Mineral Sunscreen is great for sensitive skin because it uses a non-toxic mineral agent to protect skin from the sun. It also uses water lily to help calm sun-stressed skin, and that sugarcane derived squalane for moisture. This sun protectant has broad spectrum SPF 30 and 14% zinc oxide, which is non-toxic and reef friendly. Like all Biossance product, this SPF contains nature's hydrator squalane. Water lily is a very cooling and calming ingredient for irritated and sun-exposed skin. This sunscreen is great for all skin tones and does not leave behind a white cast or a gray cast of any kind. A little bit goes a long way, and again, we're going to apply it using that upward motion on the face, neck, and ears. On men or anyone with shorter hair and an exposed neck, we do want to apply it to the back of the neck as well. Compared to titanium, which is not in this SPF, zinc oxide is better at kind of blending into all different kinds of skin tones. Here I am demonstrating it on my handsome husband who has a deeper skin complexion than me. Use this as your last step in your skincare routine right before makeup application if you wear it, ideally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Next up, we have an Allure award-winning lip balm, which is to die for because it is infused with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, sugar-derived squalane, and wakame algae, which all help your lips achieve that really smooth, plump, hydrated look. As you probably know, hyaluronic acid holds on and retains moisture to help your skin, or in this case your lips, look nice and healthy and plump. Ceramides also lock in moisture all day to prevent dehydration. As always with Biossance products, you will get antioxidant protection and moisture from the squalane. Wakame algae is infused to restore plumpness in the lips within 2 weeks. This lip balm has been repackaged and reformulated, and now it is better than ever. You can even mix a tiny bit of the sunscreen in with the lip balm to make sure you have sun protected lips. Now is a great time to try Biossance if you are looking for radiant, hydrated skin. This limited edition trio from Biossance is such a good deal. Do not forget to use the discount code in the description box below to save some coins, and my affiliate links to help me out. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate you, and I will see you guys next time.